Hey guys, we often hear a website or software is being compromised. This is where solid security assessment tools can come to your rescue. A security assessment is a process of testing software for vulnerabilities. So in this video, we list 5 best security tools for developers. The first tool on our list is Z-Attack Proxy. Also known as ZAP, was developed by the Open Web Application Security Project. It's completely a free platform written in Java and an open source testing tool. Using ZAP, you can find out injects SQL and XSS injection, missing anti-CSRF tokens and security headers, cookies and not HTTP only flag, and session ID in URL rewrite, etc. The second is SQL Map. It allows automating the process of finding and injecting SQL injection issues in a website's database and hacking over servers. SQL Map has 6 types of SQL injection techniques: union query, error-based, boolean-based blind, time-based blind, stacked queries, and out-of-band. The third tool is Arachni. Arachni is helpful for both penetration testers and admin. Arachni features include finding the invalidated redirect, local and remote file inclusion, support by multi-platforms, SQL and XSS injection, as well as many more features. The fourth suggestion is Network Map. Also known as NMAP, it has been providing its services for more than 2 decades. It acts as a free security scanner, port scanner, and network investigation tool. The key highlights of this tool are: it identifies remote device firewalls and routers, it helps in network inventory, network mapping, and asset management. Also, it helps to identify open ports and check if the ports can be exploited for attacks. The last tool is Vega. Vega is a free open-source vulnerability scanning and testing tool. It's fully written in Java. The features for Vega include: it is capable of detecting vulnerabilities, SQL and shell injection, reflected and stored cross-site scraping, etc. With JavaScript, it's easy to construct attack modules as the need arises using the APIs. We have listed more of these tools, so be sure to check out the post on this topic. The link for this will be given down below. For more videos on using Appsero to license, manage, deploy, and analyze your WordPress plugins, be sure to check out Appsero or email us for more information.